Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install and use Codex in Cursor. So for it, first of all, just open your Cursor, then here you can see we have the view option, click on view and here you can see extensions. So click on extensions and here you can see we have the search option. So in the search option we are going to search for Codex and here you can see Codex OpenAI coding agent and here you can see it is made by OpenAI. So you need to click here and then here you can see install button. We need to click on install. Then we need to click on this button, trust publisher and install. So it will start installing Codex inside Cursor and it will take a few seconds to install. So I will just fast forward the video and there you can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you can just close this and here let me just click here this file option and here you can see we have the arrow icon and here you can see we have the Codex over here. So right now let's go and create a simple folder and create a project using Codex. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder and let's say we're going to create a folder here. Let's say the folder name will be Codex Cursor. So let me just select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will open over here as you can see. So right now I'm just going to click on this arrow button and here it will take a few seconds to load all the extension. And here you can see Codex is not showing. Okay, let me just go to the extension and let me just search over here Codex again. And after that I'm going to click on this three dot and here I'm going to click here open Codex sidebar and it will open the Codex chat option on the left side. So there you can see it opened the Codex chat option here. So right now we can just close this and here you can see we have a button sign in with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on this button and here I'm going to click on open. So it will open in a browser. There you can see. So here we are going to log in with our Google account and it will select our email address. Then we are going to click here continue and there you can see sign into Codex. So it is successful. So now we can just close our browser and if you just go back it will show you this chat option here. So we're just going to click here next and there you can see right now we have the chat option for Codex. We can just give any kind of prompt over here and Codex will build the website for us. Let's just give a simple prompt. Let's say here I want to build a beautifully designed snake game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'll just give this simple prompt and here you can see ask for approval. So I'm going to keep full access over here. So it will not ask us any question to modify before modifying any files. So I'm going to click here full access and turn on full access and here you can see 5.5. So it will choose the GPT 5.5 medium reasoning. If you want you can choose the high or extra high reasoning, but those will cost more credit. And here you can see you have the file upload option. If you want to upload a file you can do it as well. And here if you want to make a plan for this prompt you can just enable the plan mode, but I will just keep the prompt the way it is and I'm just going to click on this button and it will start building our project. And one more thing, that is I prefer the chat option to be on the right side, not on the left side. So here if I just right click over here you can see move primary sidebar. So I can just click here and I can see it is right now on the right side. So this will take some time to build the project. So right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see it is done. So right now it created index.html, style.css and skip.js. So I'm just going to click on this file icon and here you can see we have index.html, skip.js and style.css. So let's go and open the project. So for it I'll just go to my folder and I'll go to my new volume E where we have created a folder. Here you can see Codex Cursor. Let's go inside and I'm just going to double click on the index.html. And there you can see we have the game over here, neon snake. So I'm just going to click here start game. So yeah, this is how you can install Codex in Cursor. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.